So today we'll be preparing one of the most delicious desserts like ever. It is a famous Italian dessert, tiramisu. So for preparing it, first we'll be needing lady fingers. Now we'll be preparing lady fingers from scratch at home itself. I'll be giving the ingredients and its quantities in description box. So I added some butter, some vanilla essence, and sugar powder. The butter and sugar powder are of equal quantity, and I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of milk over here. This is boiled and cooled down milk. So now you have to mix it, make sure it comes together, and then we'll be adding about 1 cup of all purpose flour. Sieve it properly, and once you're done sieving, add about 1/4 tablespoon baking powder. Sieve it also, and then 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'll be listing all the ingredients as well as quantities here. In baking we need to be really careful. We cannot add as much as we want. We have to be really careful. Now once the mixture is combined, you'll take it into a piping bag. We'll be piping our lady fingers. Be careful while you're doing it. You need not have a nozzle. If you have, you can use the circular tipped one. I'm preparing without a nozzle itself. So this is how you pipe your lady fingers. Even without dessert, these lady fingers themselves taste very good, and they are eggless too. So even people who do not eat non-vegetarian can happily enjoy this dessert, as it is completely eggless. Now using water, you can actually set the shape of your lady fingers the way you want. You can adjust it on dipping your finger in water, and now you'll be actually placing it in oven once you're done with its shapes for about 17 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. And this is how you get your lovely lady fingers. They tasted delicious, crisp outside and soft and cakey inside. So this is another batch. I've got 2 batches from it. Now we'll be preparing coffee. So take a bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of hot water, and then 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder, and add about 2 teaspoons of sugar too. Now we'll be adding our mascarpone cheese. Now for 1 cup of mascarpone cheese, I added about half cup of sugar powder, and I'm beating it. Now I added about 1 cup of whipped cream. I checked the taste. As it needed more, I added about 1/4 cup of sugar powder, and I added vanilla essence too. In case it isn't visible in the video, I added vanilla essence also in the mixture. So this is how we get our cream. So first, this is how you actually prepare your dessert. You take a container and dip your lady fingers into the coffee. Do not dip it for long, just 2 seconds is enough on both sides, and place it into the container where you are planning to store your dessert. Repeat the procedure for all your lady fingers. Do not let it soak for long, just few seconds is enough, or else it will become mushy and break. And once you are done layering it, add your whipping cream and mascarpone mixture. Layer it that way, and once you are done filling it, now add another layer of lady fingers, dipping it in the coffee just the way we did before. So it depends upon the quantity you prepared. You can add as many layers as you want. So I repeated the step, and then once I'm done adding my lady fingers, those are dipped in coffee. Now I'm adding my cheese mixture. That's it. So it tasted heavenly, and both adults as well as kids will definitely love this dessert. So I layered it with the cream, and once I'm done layering, I closed the container, and then kept it in fridge, refrigerated for about 3 to 4 hours, and that's it. You're done. This lovely tiramisu is done, and it tasted delicious. You're definitely going to love it. So you need to sprinkle some cocoa, and there you go. This lovely dessert is done. So you can just cut it and eat it. What with all the layers of lady fingers and mascarpone cheese as well as whipping cream, it tasted heavenly. So this is how a delicious tiramisu looks like. It was heavenly. Do give it a try. Okay, bye.